What is ChatGPT and how can I use it? ChatGPT was developed by OpenAI specifically for use in chatbots and conversational AI applications. It is designed to generate human-like text based on a given prompt or conversation history, allowing it to respond intelligently to user input and carry on a conversation in a natural and coherent manner. To use ChatGPT, you simply input a prompt and receive back a response. This video will go over 5 simple use cases. These are only a few examples of what you can do with ChatGPT, but its potential is limitless. Please subscribe for more content.